When you go to install the memory, you line up the notch with the notch on the memory slot. So as you can see, the notch is higher up, and it's higher up on that one. And you push it in, and those lock in like so. Now, on DDR3 memory, the notch is pretty far off to the side. Same thing with DDR2. DDR1, however, has a notch very close to the middle. So be sure it's on the right side, and if it's not going in, don't press it. You may damage your motherboard. Now that we've installed this memory in dual channel configuration, there's one other thing to be wary of. This little monstrosity is an aftermarket CPU cooler. You can see it's much, much larger than the cooler that's currently installed on our computer. If you have one of these, you can notice that on this motherboard, there's not any problem. There's no overhang. On smaller motherboards, however, these memory slots can be closer to the processor. If you have a lot of overhang, and you have memory that's extremely tall due to like a aftermarket third-party heat spreader, or maybe the manufacturer has a heat spreader, maybe your memory is about yay tall, you can see that there's actually a clearance issue here. So when you have aftermarket coolers, you need to be careful about the clearance and how far they overhang on your memory slots. If you'd like some help deciding on which type of memory you should use in your computer, you can go to Crucial.com. There, they have a memory configuration tool that'll let you enter your brand and model of your computer, and it will tell you which compatible types of memory you can use in that machine.